Welcome back. The fate of the American immigration system continues to be a nightmare for the undocumented or those trying to get citizenship in the country. President-elect Trump's Attorney General nominee Jeff Sessions was in the spotlight yesterday at his confirmation hearing where he was questioned about his stance on racism and immigration. He stated we need to fix the immigration system. It's not been working right. The DREAM Act by President Obama is now on the line as many Democrats continue to fight for its worth. We welcome immigration lawyer Lee Marie Costa from the Costa Law Office. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So we want to talk about this DREAM Act that President Obama has been trying to put into effect. You know, he's been trying to get it that many young adults who were brought here illegally still get the financial aid that they need for college. Is this something that you think that the Republicans are going to continue fighting against, or is this something that we're going to see go forward?
Well, the DREAM Act has not been able to even pass, and it gives benefits as supposed financial aid and legal permanent residence eventually. So the fear now is that the DACA program, it's going to be taken altogether. So the DREAM Act, I don't see it happening just yet. Yeah.
So what do we do? I mean, Trump has been stated saying that he does care for these young adults who have been brought here illegally, and he does want them to move forward, but he's not supporting the DACA Act nor the DREAM Act. What do you think is going to be put in place for these young adults?
We don't know. He has not given an option to DACA, an alternative to DACA. So we don't know what. He just said that he cares and that he'll have something good, but we don't know what that is.
So do you think that he'll be able to keep his promise? I mean, we have so many students who are in jeopardy right now, who are attending school, who want to apply for college. What is the next steps for them? What should they start to prepare for?
Again, President-elect Trump has said during his campaign that he will do away with DACA, and then he has retracted a little bit, and he said, well, we'll do something. So we don't know if the DACA program is going to be taken completely, which he could, and on first day. So if that happens, it will leave thousands and thousands of students and people that have taken advantage of this program without the ability to be able to continue studying, to go to college, or to even work.
So those who have not applied for DACA but do qualify, is this the time do they still have time to apply? Like, are they able to receive any benefits from this program in the 10 days that we have left?
And that's a very good question. The law as it stands, you could still apply if you meet the requirements of DACA. Now, the problem is that now you're giving information to the government, and if the program is taken away, now you're going to be left vulnerable, and they are going to know your information. And if they decide not to do anything else for recipients of DACA, you could be left and exposed for deportation.
That's the scary thing. I think there's a lot of people who are concerned about that. Are there any legal laws that would be able to protect them from deportation?
No, if the DACA program is taken away and you are left without status and you don't qualify for anything else under the current law, there's nothing that would protect you, and you will be left vulnerable for the government to have that information that you're here without legal status, and they have every right within the law to deport you.
And we're talking about even teenagers under the age of 18.
For deportation, it really doesn't matter what age you are. You could be deported as a baby or an elderly person.
So what would be your advice to parents who have students who are here illegally?
So, I mean, if you already are a recipient of DACA, I don't know if they will actually take it away from what you actually already have. So continue enjoying it. If you are close to renovation, go ahead and renew the program. And the ones that don't have status and the ones that haven't applied, you be cautious. And I suggest that you speak to an attorney that specializes in immigration so you can know your risks by going ahead and applying.
Well, thank God we have you here today. What's your information, and how can any parents or students who want some advice on this, how can they reach you?
So my office is here in the Bronx. It's the Costa Law Office, and you can reach me at www.castalaw.com, or at 718-798-0188. And you can also like us on Facebook in the Costello office.
Excellent. Marie, thank you so much for
Thank
the
you.
advice. Thank you for joining us today.